going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to do up a copycat version of a sweet onion chicken Subway sandwich. I used to work for Subway back in the day. Did it for 6 months. Till the owner of the store looked at me in the face and told me I was making the big bucks at $6.15. Now for you young cats, this is when we were only making $5.15 at minimum wage. Then he looked at me and told me I needed to come in a couple days a week and work for free. Then he told me when I asked for a day off because my mom was having surgery, heart surgery mind you, he told me he couldn't do it. So I turned my keys in that day and walked out. No 2-week notice, no nothing. Yep. It is what it is, people. Priorities. Stick around, we're going to get right to making this sandwich. Now, first things first, we're going to go ahead and season up this chicken and get the grill ready. We're going to go ahead and use some Saints and Sinners Signature Series. It's the all-purpose rub. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of ancho chili powder, Alright, grill's up to temp. We're running at 350 degrees. We're running B&B Championship blend. And our chicken is done. So we're going to go ahead and pull them off the grill. And get ready for our next step. Now, time to make up the sweet onion sauce. It's going to be a long one, so stick with me here, and we're going to get through it. Now, the first thing they want you to start off with is a cup of sugar. They wonder why Americans are so fat? It's a cup of sugar. We're not going to do that. We're not putting any sugar in this. Not happening. We're going to start off with a half a cup of water. We're going to add in 6 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar to be exact. We're just eyeballing this. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and add in 4.5 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. Let's go ahead and pop off this safety cap. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Again, we eyeballing. Next up, we're doing some Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next up is some sesame seed oil. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. There we go. Next up, 1 tablespoon of some cornstarch. There we go on that. I'm going to go ahead and start swishing that around. Next up, some minced onion. 1 tablespoon worth of that. Right now we're working on teaspoons out here. I didn't bring a tablespoon out. So there we go. 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. 1 teaspoon of some salt. 3/4 teaspoon of some poppy seeds. There we go. 1/2 teaspoon of some celery seeds. One-4 teaspoon of some paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of some onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon of some black pepper. 1/8 teaspoon of some garlic powder. Go ahead now and mix that all up. And we done. Literally, no time at all, people. Like I said during the sauce, a cup of sugar and just that little bitty bit of sauce, it's not needed, people. And then they wonder why Americans are so fat and can't lose weight. All that sugar is not needed. Just that little bitty bit of sauce. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this sandwich. Nice and oniony, sweet. Chicken's on point. That sandwich is so good. Don't need to go to Subway to do this. I know it's fast and easy, but they're going to make you fat with all that sugar that they put in that sauce. You don't need that. This is much better and much healthier for you. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.